It's not often you get a hallway like this with sea views from the top floor. I'm on Esplanade in Whitley Bay to show you an end of terrace 3-storey Victorian home. You'll love how this home unfolds, starting with a Victorian bay window at the front, and there's a converted garage at the rear which is now an art studio. Let me show you around this modern home. This home has everything you need to move to the coast. Near to the seafront, ideal for beach walks and cold sea dipping if you're brave enough, with period features and loads of space. I'm Michael Mortimer, until next time.